Hello businessman. Today I'm going to talking about the campaign structure. It's a very important thing. If you don't understand the campaign structure, then you cannot run Google Ads properly. You have to be a very deep knowledge about campaign structure. And at this point of view, we have to make the strategy about the goal uh, and and each and everything for your businesses. So it's a very important thing. So watch the video, full video, carefully. I hope you will understand better. So let's get started. At first, we're going to our Google Ads campaign. Google Ads campaign. This is our ads campaign, and if we click on the campaign create, then we select one of these. Just select this search campaign, continue, then also continue, and start now. This is actually the all the settings of the Google Ads account, and if you learn this structure properly, then you will learn almost everything about Google Ads. You have to learn each and everything of these settings. I will discuss each and every settings uh, before the uh, all of the videos. I will be discuss each and everything. But today I am going to a deep knowledge and going to a deep discussions about the all the settings. So let's get started. How actually these settings are worked and how the structure is working. So it's very important things. So at first we can see the bidding. Bidding, the bidding is a very important things. If you select, there is a lots of options in the bidding. So I will discuss in the later. But bidding is a very important thing. And campaign settings. This is the campaign settings actually. This is the campaign settings. All the settings are here. Campaign settings have network, location targeting, language targeting, and EU ads, audience, and lots of things. This is the campaign settings, and this is the A section, AMX. Okay, this is the A section, and after that, if you see that keywords and asset generation, this is the keyword and asset generation, and keyword and asset generation, and then mm, this is the actual main game of the Google Ads. This is the this is the keyword. This is the keyword section. We have to give their keywords and um, and this is the ad section. This is the ad section. This thing. This is the ad. This is you have to give the binary URL. What is binary URL? Actually, where you want to take your target customer. I mean the landing page. So you have to give you landing page here and then the display path and description. You can give here 15 description and sorry 15 headlines and full description and also there is extension I mean assets. Yeah. So these ad I mean these ads the ad what you will write here that in the search Google search in the search the ad this ad will be shown in the Google search. If I search in the Google plumber in New York, then we can see then we can see this is then we can see this is this is the actually ad what we make in this area. So this is the actually in here we can see headline. This is the headlines. This is the description. This is the assets, and this is the image assets and image extension. So we select 15 headline, keyword base, and customer base, and Google decide what will be shown by the font of this type of customer. So this is the app, and then budget. We can select the budget and the review. So this is the actually ads account. I mean ad structure, ad settings actually. So if we search in the Google ad structure, then we can see some photos. That is so this is the Google ad structure. Uh, you have an account, then after the in the account there can be lots of campaign, 1 2 3 4 5 6, there will be lots of campaign, and in the campaign we can create lots of ad groups. Okay, in the campaign we can create lots of ad groups, and in the ad groups we can also create three ads. So this is the very important things to understand. I think I hope you can understand very readily. I'm just clear again. In a Google account, we can create lots of campaign for our businesses or website, and in the campaign, we can create lots of ad groups, and after that, in the ad groups, we can create lots of ads. So what is campaign? What is ad groups? What is ads? You can ask me. The campaign is if I go to our if I go to our uh, settings, then you can see uh, you can see um, this is the we can see this is the Google Ads account, and we can create lots of campaign here. There's a two campaign, and this is the default Google Ads. I'm just open the clients. Um, Ads account, which is I have already some ads. So this is the ad account, and in that ad account, we can create some campaigns. We can create some campaigns. There is a 9 campaign here. You can see some are false and some are active. There is a 9 campaign here, and we can create lots of campaign here. And in the campaign, in the campaign, we can create lots of ad groups. Okay, and also in the ad groups, we can create lots of ads. Okay, if I understand here, there is a lots of campaign you can create in the account, and in the account you can see there is some there's a there's a lots of campaign you can create. There will be lots of campaign you can the campaign, you can create lots of ad groups. That's it, lots of ad groups. So what is the ad groups? I will discuss about it. You just now understand that in the ad groups you can also create lots of ad. This is the ad actually you can make. Okay, so this is actually the campaign structure. So if I discuss about the ad groups, ad groups is what is ad groups? I think you can you are feel some confusion. So what is ad groups? Ad groups is like uh, the lots of keywords and lots of uh, services have in a business. So if I go to a website, lumber neighbor, if I go to the website, then you can see it's not lumber. This is the lumber. So if we see that there is a lots of services here, plumbing service, heating service, drain and shower service, and AC servicing. So if we run all the services in a campaign, then we can make the a ad groups for plumbing services and another ad groups for heating, another ad groups for drain and shower, another ad groups for AC, another ad group for no sorry, this is we can create this type of ad groups. What actually happened? So if you go to any fruit shop, you can see there is a lot of fruit. Uh, so if you see a shopkeeper and fruit keeper put in their fruits and all of the fruits in one basket, then what should you think? You feel like that. You feel like that. How could you need to uh, uh, you need to feel suffer to take the food, and it's not look like good, and the customer can be confused. But a shopkeeper, I mean a food shopkeeper who sell the food, he have lots of basket, and he put one basket have one basket have apple, another basket have orange, another basket have mango. So it's look like good, and also customer do not feel the confusion, and they can buy it very properly. So the ad groups is also like that. You can put your service. One service is one ad group, another service is another ad group. And if you do it specifically, then customer can do not feel confusing. So that's called the ad groups. Uh, so that's called the ad groups, and in a ad groups, and also you can create. There is a lots of ads. So if I make the summaries of the videos, that is the campaign structure is if you have a Google Ads account, in a ads account you can create lots of campaign, and in a campaign you can create lots of ad groups, and in a ad groups you can create lots of ads, and I and this is the actually uh, Google Ads account structure. So there is a lots of things entered into that, but I am not one that you feel that confusing. So today I'm just describe what the actually campaign structure. So that's it today. Thanks for watching my video. Actually, I made video for this type of people or this type of businessman who wants to make ads by own. And also, if you are a businessman, you need to hire someone who will uh, do marketing for you. Uh, you have must be you need to have some medium level of marketing knowledge. I mean, if you want to hire someone who is a Rolex expert, so how could you understand that this guy is expert or not? So if you uh, want to hire this one, you need minimum level of knowledge, and I give you the knowledge. So if you are a small business owner or local business owner, then you can see my each and every type of video. I'm just making the series of video. Uh, for that, you can make you can run Google Ads by whom, or you can hire someone for a Google Ads expert. Uh, as this type of knowledge, I want to give the videos. So I hope you will be uh, beneficial for watching my all the series of Google Ads creation. And if you feel any problem to make uh, Google Ads run Google Ads, so you can contact me on the WhatsApp. I put the WhatsApp, and also you can comment on the comments below. I will explain each and everything. What's the confusion? If you feel any confusion, I will explain each and everything. And also, I have a you can contact me on directly. I will be explain one to one each and everything. So thank you for watching of my full video. Um, thank you. Thank you very much for watching my all the videos. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.